Today we're at Rossiter Road to see this immaculately presented David Wilson 3-bedroom terrace property. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home. Internally, you'll find the layout really fits family life. You've got bay for your Christmas tree, you've got lovely big lounge, open through to a kitchen diner and downstairs loo. Upstairs, you've got 3 good sized bedrooms. Even the 3rd bedroom is a really reasonable size with low maintenance, but again, good sized garden to the back with rear access. Take a look around. Okay, so hopefully you like what you've seen today. It's a beautiful property, still got a little bit on its NHBC guarantee left as well, so really great buy for a first-time buyer, or anyone really. But give me a call, drop me an email, I'd love to see you. Thanks so much.